Hello berries, welcome to part 2 of the how to make a wig series. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to flawlessly install your closure wigs. So let's just jump right in. I love to make sure that the hair under the wig is as flat as possible, so I always make sure to do my cornrows really small and neat, and then I put on my skin tone mesh wig cap. I make sure that my edges and everything are all secured and tucked into the mesh wig cap so everything looks nice and clean. Yeah, over time I've noticed that if the wig cap underneath is your skin tone, you don't really have to do much to make sure that it just looks like you are doing the bald cap method. Everything looks seamless under the wig, so you can even get away with not tinting your lace or applying any foundation and those other things to the lace for it to look like scalp. Next, you're going to be grabbing your ebon adhesive spray, the active one, and then you're going to be using the ebon lace melt spray. This is the wig I'm going to be applying. I went ahead to curl it off camera. So you're going to go in first with the ebon lace spray, and I'm going to be evenly distributing it with my finger. Guys, excuse me, I just couldn't find my fan, so I just decided to tug it out. Once you've noticed that the ebon adhesive spray has started to get tacky, you're gonna go in with your ebon lace melt spray. Go ahead and spritz about 2 to 3 pumps of this onto the lace and let that dry as well before you go in and apply your closure wig. Take this time to finesse and make sure you're placing the wig exactly where you want it to be. And then you're going to use your finger to press. Make sure you're securing the wig down and it's not going to slide back. And you're going to go in with your rat tail comb and just press that lace down into the glue. Once this is done, tie down the lace area with an elastic band. Now this is the section that usually makes or breaks your install. I like to tie this as tight as possible. Tie it until I can feel ratatouille going on in my head, and leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes, actually just until you're sure the lace is dried. Okay, so I did go ahead and hold the curls up with some clips, so I'm just going to take those out while my lace is drying. I really love how soft and bouncy this hair was after I curled it, and as you previously saw, I went over and combed out the curls using a wide tooth comb. So now I'm going to take off the elastic band, and then I'm going to clean up the parting space with a hot comb to make sure everything looks seamless. And yeah, this is the final result, and I also have it installed in the straight version, so let me know which one you guys enjoyed, or let me know which one you guys loved the most. And yeah, guys so much for sticking on to the end of this video. If you happen to find this video helpful, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and turn on your post notifications. Also, give me a thumbs up so that I know you enjoy these kind of videos. To save you some time and some money, I'm gonna be leaving a direct link to this wig and other luxury wigs such as this one in my description box down below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. So stay safe and I'll see you in my next video next week. But until then,